So we're having a fantastic time working with good partners in our industry. Knapheide is one of those partners. We're taking on product lines for them for the landscape and dump industry. This particular one is a Contractors dump. It has fold down side, removable front, removable back, two-way tailgate. Lower it down so you can have it for additional payload to dump out, or it can be a pass-through gate. Again, these sides fold down. This particular board inside has a 12-inch board.
Before I start by dropping the sides or doing anything, I want to point out the design underneath, which I mentioned is a big deal. Cross-memberless, Western style design. You can see how clean that is underneath there. It's got two big deep V parallelogram supports to hold that floor up. It does a better job actually than the cross members. I'll tell you what, when you see some used dumps come into your places, a lot of times you'll see the floor is deformed between the cross members, which makes it a lot harder to get the product out of that dump body, trust me. This design is clean, it's easy. Plus, I don't know any operators that are going to take the time to really go clean the underneath of the dump body. May not be too important down here, but when you get up north and you get salt, snow, ice, crap, and mud all caught up in there, a lot of dump bodies deteriorate from the bottom up. That's not good. So this is designed not to, with that E-coat and with the membrane undercoating. Ability. This is the drop side, like I said, because it has so many more applications than anything a rigid side can do. Let me show why. Note that this is bolted in right here, so it has serviceability. It operates just like the tailgate of your truck. This is the 12-inch side. There is the 16-inch side available. The floor, two-piece floor, is welded together. Butted together, welded 100% underneath. And you can see the floor wraps over the side. That creates a lot more strength. Plus, the way this design is right here helps to promote shedding of any product that you either shovel out or drops off. So that's exactly where the comment sheddability comes in. This and the floor, of course. Because whatever you dump in here, you darn well want it to come out. You don't want to be shoveling it out. Okay, notice the grease zerks. Again, back to the serviceability issue. You can see when I talked about the latching, see the sides of this down there and back up here? Those are all bolted in. So serviceability is a key factor. So it acts like a dual tailgate, drops right down here. Notice how clean that design is too, and how heavy duty it is. Well, again, back to shedding the product. You want that stuff to flow out of here and get it out of the way. You might have saw those levers come up on the sides.
Sure did.
So now we're free to let it spread. Right? So a good operator will go to the job site. He'll have a rope hooked to that lever. He just rolls down his window, pulls that rope, releases the lever. So he's released this, raises it up. He knows how much speed he needs to put to it, and he can spread a nice, even flow of product onto a driveway or in a landscape area. And when he gets done, lowers the bed. The gate's pretty heavy. It's going to swing closed. Flips the rope again. He's back in business. He's ready to go get another load. And if he's really good, he hasn't got out and done a darn thing. He hasn't shoveled or broomed anything. He's ready to go. By the way, there's a chain with a ring up there that you can actually put a padlock through if you really need to. Okay? Class 5 hitch, 7-way plug. Power up, power down. 9,045 pounds of payload on this bad boy.
Again, partnerships are important. We look forward to being your partner. Reach out to me. I look forward to working with you. Again, it's Mike Olden. You can reach me at 423-618-3323 or shoot me an email, molden@lee-smith.com. Thank you.